Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of this Judge non-stick table grill that I got off Amazon. Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome, my name's Simone. Today I'm doing an unboxing and review of this Judge non-stick table grill that I got off Amazon. I'm going to link the one down to amazon.co.uk, and if I can find it on amazon.com then I will put that down below. I'm not being sponsored for this. I bought this. I'll put the price down below how much I spent on it. So I'm going to get into the video. I'm going to put timestamps down below, so if you want to fast forward to certain parts then you can do. What I want to do is I'm going to try and cook eggs on here and see if it is definitely non-stick. And at another time I'm going to try and make pancakes, and if I can I'll try and show my husband making steaks or something like that as well. So I'm going to open the box now. So they had a bigger one than this, but I decided to get this size for a family of 5. So yeah, so my son's just opening it up for me.
Oh, great, right.
Oh, what's that? Okay, the plug.
Oh.
What's in there?
Nothing.
Yay, Mum!
Okay, so that's
It's long.
yeah, it is quite long, isn't it?
It might be small, but it can fit quite a lot.
I'll put the measurements down below anyway. It's got a 2-year guarantee, it says on it, and then here are the instructions, and there's the model number. So it's got like a drip tray.
Oh, look, watch this.
Yeah, that's the drip tray. So there's the 2-year guarantee on it. So we're just going to set this up now. I was just putting that in,
like
that way. It's a bit blurry. Can it go in? Is it in all right? Yeah?
I think it's the right way.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's the right way.
What you're saying before using, it needs to be plugged in, and then it needs to be set to the highest level. Heating level dial 6 to maximum position, so that'll be 5, so it'll be 240C. And then leave for 10 minutes. It's normal for smoke and smells to be emitted during the operation. Manufacturing residues are being removed. So this is what we're going to do, and then we have to follow the cleaning instructions, which is here. So it says switch off at the socket, remove the plug, allow the table grill to cool thoroughly before handling, wipe it clean with an absorbent kitchen cloth, wipe the outside with a damp soapy cloth and dry with a soft cloth. Do not use steel wool, scouring pads or abrasive cleaners on non-stick surfaces. So yes, and it's just got obviously like cautions and things like that. So this is what it's looking like so far. It's got a nice soft surface. It's not taking up too much room.
You can cook it wherever you want, like in the jungle, because
you can't, as you need a
plug.
Yeah.
Like a
So we'll be back.
Yeah.
So I heated it up before, like it said, for 10 minutes. It didn't give off a smell really. I've put it back on now to let it heat up, and then we're going to try and fry the eggs. It said to marinate your meat and use little oil, but obviously I'm not making oil. I'm not making a dish like a meat dish right now. I want to fry eggs, so I'm going to try and fry them without any oil, and if they stick then I'll have to give it a go with the oil. So I'm having to do this with one hand. Might not come out right because I've got only one hand. Oh, it popped, Micah. It's gonna drip down the thing. First attempt without any oil didn't work. I don't know. It's kind of... I think maybe it's on too of a higher heat. It doesn't tell you what temperature to cook certain things on. So I think what I'll do is I'll turn it down, and I did it in the wrong place as well, so it was coming down here. Okay, so this time I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil. This is what it's looking like. We'll make pancakes next time. So I'm trying again. I turned it down a bit and it wasn't working. I'll put a bit more oil again. Let's see if this one doesn't stick. But I'm not very good at making fried eggs even in a pan. So maybe it's just me. I think pancakes is going to be the interesting part. So yeah, it's not sticking now, look. Yeah, that's awesome. So I'm going to try another one now. Oh, if it's this or what, but it's like things spill towards that angle for some reason. Oh, seems to be working.
You bet everyone.
You are the best ever. Success. It's coming out well now. It might be like, you know when you have a frying pan and the first like pancake or egg doesn't always come out right, maybe it's that. So yeah, they're not sticking and they're coming out really well. Okay, so I'm just doing a voiceover for this part. I'm making some teff pancakes. At first, when I didn't put oil on, they were sticking, but then I squirted a little bit of oil on and they were fine. And as you can see, they're quite sloppy, you know, like this mix. It's not like a thick mix, but it didn't stick. So I used that little silicone brush with the walnut oil and just like put a tiny bit of oil on, and it prevented them from sticking. I did try it dry and they were sticking, so then I just went straight in with the oil because I didn't want to waste loads of batter. So yeah, they've come out really well, and I definitely would recommend using this plate instead of using like a normal pan, unless you've got a really good non-stick normal pan. Also, I just wanted to show where I store it and how it doesn't take loads and loads of room up. I've got loads of other appliances in that drawer as well. So Ryan, did you put any oil down? No, and it's not sticking?
No, I didn't add any at first.
Yeah.
I did for a minute, and then I spread a bit of oil on it.
Yeah.
Afterwards.
What was it, because it was sticking?
No.
No, it's just because you wanted to put some on.
And then a little bit of butter for the flavour.
So what do you think, is it better than cooking in a pan?
Yeah.
Or not?
Is
it just the same?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Would you recommend it? You still prefer cooking on a barbecue?
100%.
Barbecue's the best for you.
Right, that's a barbecue.
Is it capturing the fat down there as well?
No idea.
No? Not any fat coming off. Oh, sorry, I didn't even know it slid in. It's not a meat with loads of fat though, is it, this one?
No.
Okay. Okay, so I wanted to save this part to show you when we'd use the steak, because that had made the most amount of mess, and I can't believe how easy it was with this damp cloth to clean it. Like, you can see all the dirt on there. I was not thinking that it would be this easy. I thought I'd need to use something like abrasive on it, but I didn't, and it's not scratched or anything, and we've been using it for a while now. It's fantastic. You've got that little plastic thing underneath which catches the oil, which you can just wash with soapy water or just wipe it down as well, so it's really easy to clean. We've been using this now for a few weeks now, and it's really easy to use. It fits in the drawer nicely after it's cooled down, so it doesn't take up loads of space, and it heats up really fast. And I would say that the oil situation, you'll see on the clip that when I've tried to cook the eggs or the pancakes without any oil, they stick. So I have been squirting a little bit of walnut oil, could use sunflower oil, rapeseed oil on there, and it just helps it, you know, to prevent it sticking. I definitely say that I wouldn't need to use as much oil as if I was using a frying pan or something like that. So yeah, and even when my husband cooked the steak on there, you know, there was like burnt bits and things like that, but it was so easy to clean it. I didn't need to you know, scrub it or anything like that. And the non-stick coating, it's not been scratched, it's not been messed up or anything like that. And yeah, do you know what? I think it's really, really fab. The main reason that I got this was I've been struggling to make pancakes in my pan. They keep sticking all the time, so that's the main reason that I wanted it. But I thought it'd be really good for my husband who loves barbecuing, but with the weather that we have over here, it's not obviously easy to be having a barbecue outside all the time. So I thought it'd be nice for him to be able to cook up his steaks and also maybe marinate some chicken and put that on, which he's hoping to do next. So the instructions are easy to use. As I was saying, it's easy to clean, and it tells you all about how to clean it, what you should do when you first use it as well. And yeah, it's just a really, really brilliant appliance. You can buy bigger ones. We're a family of 5, but I find that this has been honestly so quick and easy, like to fry a good few eggs on there at once. I have seen some people like cooking loads on theirs, but I think they've got the bigger one, but this size has been perfect for us. The temperature dial is easy to use as well. So I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm going to put a review playlist at the end of this video if you'd like to go and check out some more of our reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!